Time is a secret. She is nature's beloved, so we cannot divulge it. Time never ceases. People come, people go, leaving a legacy of memories behind them. Time never breaks continuity, keeps going from eternity to the infinite destination. Time never withers. Instead, we wither with her. But its shine remains alive. Time is a secret, uncovered only to those who love the Lord, known to those who love the bleeding mankind, to those who smile with time and cry with time. So, those lucky ones live with time, and they die with time. And this nature's beloved, the time, is their crony.